Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chingalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688 811 8012553412 73730
Wat lagaday kalong kami kabaladon arngut gikon. Nray kum ka kami ka Sangita Marak kalaya kunting tadhado banda yok Phong ya ka Pansngiat Mrs. Vogue Star 2023 hagaran sa ni kop taiba brio hapdeng kilong kami kabalalong hanong ba Jaipur nado ka khatsaw tarik hado ka khanriu tarik uyayong arajar arpulai. Haga jinge keren bat kilat patai kubor haga arpu artarik uyayong arajar arpulai ka Sangita Marak ka basyong basa hanong ba shilong kalaya tu bakala job haga audition balapanlong online bat hadin kata kala sya ai jingikai haga Vogue ha Jaipur ban mikmat ya ka jila Meghalaya bat baneshimenta haga Mrs. Vogue Star 2023 kumban syupentip hang ni baga Sangita Marak kalalong kaladu hagani geransani kop na pedengki sans pangut kilong kemi kibalai shimenta na kelengkari India.
There was this pageant called Miss and Mrs. Vogue Star, which was held in Jaipur on the 14th, 15th and 16th. It was a 3-day extravaganza, and they started this entire process in the month of sometime in January. So they held an online audition. This entire thing was held virtually actually. So it was an online audition, and I cleared the auditions. And after that, our grooming and training sessions began. And as an individual, I learned a lot of things through this pageant. It's not just a pageant, but a learning process. I believe learning never stops. So whenever we get any opportunity to learn and hone our skills and create unique identities for ourselves, I think we should just go ahead. Be it a pageant, be it any experience for that matter. So as a person, I was always inclined to beauty and fashion. As women, we all love anything that has to do with beauty and fashion. So obviously when I came across this platform online, I just went for it and I registered myself, and the rest is history. I learned a lot of things. There were plenty of experts in the team who gave us training on communication skills, makeup, ramp walk, fashion. This entire process has taught me how to love myself, how to take care of myself, and how to be self-confident. And Vogue Star is a platform for women, by the women. And they're not looking for physical attributes. And the founder, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, has basically broken the norms of stereotypes that whereby in pageants they look for a certain height, a certain shape, a certain figure. But she's broken all that, and she's given opportunities to ordinary women like me to fulfill extraordinary dreams. And I'm one of them. I'm an example, and I'm absolutely proud to represent my beautiful city Shillong and go out there in Jaipur, be a part of this entire event, entire experience, and win the crown and come back happy and proud. I'm very happy, not just for my community, but for our other communities in Meghalaya. I'm happy to have represented our other communities like Khasi community, Jaintia, Garo. I'm happy to be a permanent resident of Meghalaya and to have gone out there and gained an experience, come back as a winner, as a city winner. It's really an achievement for me, and I wanted to share this experience and this achievement with everybody, with the masses. was an all India pageant. There were about 1,200 participants. So they had 2 talent rounds. So during the talent rounds, they selected the best. They selected the city winners. Out of 1,200, they selected about 200 city winners. Possibilities. If we get opportunities, I think we should go out there and discover ourselves. And unless we do it, we wouldn't know what are our capabilities. Next step is to, if women come to me and ask me things, then I'll definitely be there, inspiring. Shillong, our state as a whole, has a lot of beauties, a lot of women who are really, really beautiful. So I think I can be an inspiration to everybody, in fact mothers or girls who are single, that if I can do it, if I can go out there and win the crown for my city, you can do too. So nothing is impossible basically. It's all about building our confidence, going out there and competing, and not just sitting back and thinking that no, I cannot do, or I can't do this, it's impossible. I believe nothing is impossible. We just have to go out there and be adventurous and just be ourselves, just be happy, as long as what we are doing is not harming anybody. I think we have the right as human beings to be happy and to make our city proud, to make our families proud, and that's what I've done for my family, for my city. I'm very happy to have been selected as Miss Vogue Star India 2023. It was held in one of the best resorts in India, the Meridian Resort and Spa Jaipur, 3-day extravaganza, and I got to meet a lot of people. I met all the professionals who trained us during this entire event. They trained us on various disciplines. I got to meet them personally, take photos and learn a lot from them. And Vogue Star has also given opportunities to budding fashion designers, makeup artists from all over India. So they are basically, it's a platform for women. They are giving a chance to everybody.
I've known her from a few years back, but then I'd say her confidence and grace has made her win this competition. Actually, she is a mother of 2 and a working woman, but that didn't stop her from exploring things in her life. And then she always lives her life to the fullest, and then she doesn't confine her. She doesn't. As a woman, we women are confined to many responsibilities, and we stop ourselves from going forward in our irrespective of our career or our passion. But then, she is the true inspiration for us, for the women as a whole. If you are willing to do something in life, and if you have the dream inside, then nothing can stop you.